Welcome to our recorded class, Rufa, and this is our February 19, 2025 class. So before we have our lesson and also the overview lesson, how about let's count for our numbers? And this time, I'm going to show you the numbers 1 to 100. So let me fix this one. When I check the number, you have to also count with me, okay? So how about for the first here, first number, let's start with number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. So there are a lot of numbers on our screen, but I know that you can remember your numbers 1 to 100. Now let me erase the writings on the screen. And we will now jump to the next part of our class, and that is for a reminder for today's overview lesson. So please be reminded that this is an overview lesson video for our CVC words work this week, and not all of the work from your book are found here in our screen or in our recorded class. For the work that I am going to let you answer, it is for February 19 to 20. And the pages will be on 67 to 77 of your fourth quarter book. And please remember, I already prepared your booklets for UT and also your hat. So you have to do those, okay? So how about I will jump to the next part, and that is to show you our UT words. So these are the UT words that we will be discussing, that we will have to remember. So how about for these ones? That what do we have here? The first picture that I check is for our picture of the word shut. When you close the door, you shut it, just like the man here. He will shut the door. Another kind of food or snack, it is what we call the nut. You can eat the nut. Another one, a kind of house is called a hut. So maybe you can see this one when you go to the beach or to the farm. There are huts there. It's a kind of house. Inside your tummy, it is the gut. So we have the gut here. When you are having a stomach ache, when you are full, the food is inside your gut. So again, we have our gut. Next one, how about let's jump to another picture, and this time this is a vehicle stuck in a rut. When you are in a rut, your car is stuck there. It cannot move. It's muddy. The tires are stuck in a rut. So see, it's hard for the car to move. You will need help to push the car out of the rut. Another one, when you walk like this, like a model, you strut. So this is for strut. You walk in a certain way, a different way. Another one, if you have your scissors, what do you do with it? You cut. So this one, this person is using the scissors to cut along the line. And the last one, this is Tut. Tut was a pharaoh back in the old times, in the old days, very long ago. And he is a king, or in Egypt, in the place that he ruled, he is called a pharaoh. So we have Tut. And these are all the ut words that we have. So again, let's go back. We have shut, nut, hut, gut, rut, strut, cut, and tut. Those are the ut words that we have. Let's erase the writings on our screen and let's go jump to another part of our work here on the screen, our screen work. So how about you help me? We're going to read our words and our choices here. We get to see where's the right word for the pictures here on the left. So how about I cover it for you? Where are our ut words? The first one that we have here is for our rut. The vehicle is stuck in a rut. So if I sound it out, rut, where is the word? The first one, second, or third? Rut. It has the r sound. It's for letter R. It begins with R. This is our rut. R-U-T, rut. Next one, we have the snack, a nut. Nut, nut. Where is nut? The first word, second, or third? Nut. This one, the first one, it begins with N. This one is nut. Okay, another one, we have the cut. K, k sound, letter C. So where is cut? First, second, or third? Cut. It's this one. This is cut. So again, what are the words that we have here? Rut, nut, and cut. So these are some of our ut words. Let's go to the next set. Okay, so let's see. The first word that we need to find is for the word hut. We have a kind of house here. It's a hut. Hut. What I did there is the sound spell. You have to sound it out. Hut. 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 That's for letter H. So where's our hut word? The first, the second, or the third? Hut. Letter H-U-T. That's our word hut. If you spell it H-U-T, hut. The next one, we have the boy, he will shut the door. So shut has the S-H sh sound together. Where is that word shut? The first word, second, or third? Shut. It's this one. We have a shut. S-H-U-T, shut. Okay, another one. Somebody has the scissors. We have cut. K-ut, cut. I want to cut the paper. Where's cut? First, second, or third word? Cut. It's this one, the first one also, cut. So let's check for our words again. We have the cut, shut, and cut. These are some of our ut words. Now, what about we move to the next one? For our next part of the screen work, we get to read our at words. Now, I want you to look here on our screen because we have our sentence as well. So, how about for our sentence here, we get to read it together. I will underline the word for you. King Tut was a pharaoh. So, again, King Tut was a pharaoh. The pharaoh here is a kind of king in the old times in Egypt. Now, in that time, they also built the pyramids. And King Tut was also found in one. So, where is our word that has the ut sound? The one with U and T. Remember, the name Tut has U and T. We have capital letter for his name. All the names begin with capital letter. That's why we have big letter T, capital T, T, U, and T for his name, Tut. Okay, another one. Let's read together. My gut is in my tummy. Let's go back. My gut is in my tummy. So when you are full, the food is inside your gut and the gut is inside your tummy. You rub your tummy when you have a stomach ache, a tummy ache. Where is our ut word? The gut. G-U-T. Let's circle it. This one is our word gut. Okay, another sentence. I want to strut like a model. Let's go back. I want to strut like a model. So we have the word strut. Where's our ut word? Strut. Strunt. We have the word strut. That's the word strut. When you strut, you work your walk. You try to do a different walk. Strut. So what are the words that we have here? It's tut, gut, and strut. Now let's see what else do we have here on our screen. This time we get to trace and write for the booklet on our screen here. So let me go back. Let's fix this screen and you get to see what we have here. So the first word that we have is cut. C U and the letter T, cut. So we have the box for the word cut. C is an alligator letter and your letter U an alligator letter too. But T, it's a tall letter, a giraffe letter. It has to be tall at the end. And then for your work also, you'll have the same booklet, your at words. You get to color the picture of cut as well. So when you have your scissors, what you do is you cut your worksheet, parts of your work. Like for the cutouts of your work, you get to cut them and follow the dotted line as your guide to cut. So we have cut here, the picture of cut. For the rest of the pictures, I won't be coloring it, but I hope that you also do it on your work there to color the pictures that you need. Next, what else? We have the word hut. Remember the hut? It is a kind of house. H-U and the letter T, hut. You usually see this one in the beaches and also in the farms. So H is a tall letter. U and the letter T, a tall one also that makes the word hut. And remember, we have hut. Next one, another word is for our word nut. So let's spell it out. We have N, U, and the letter T. This is nut. So again, N, U, and the letter T, we have the nut. A nut is a kind of snack that you can eat. But some people, they cannot eat it because they are allergic to peanuts, to other nuts. So how about let's move to the next part and let's see what's our next work on the screen. So how about we have to match our words? Let me make the screen big so that you can see it. We'll get to make a line and we also need to put it in the right box where it needs to fit. So I will number our boxes so that we will know where to fit it. Let's start with the first word. We have a t. It's the word what? I think it's a but or a cut. It's cut. So let's make a line. This is cut. Where can we fit cut? In number 1 or in number 2? It should fit in number 1. C-U-T, that's cut. Remember, we have 3 letters in the word cut. Let's make a line. Okay, another one. What do we have here? The one with the n sound. N, a, t. Our word is what? Nub or nut? Nut. Let's make a line. This is nut. Where can we put nut? Nut has the 2 letters here that are alligator letters, N and U, and it ends with a tall letter, a giraffe letter, letter T. So where can it fit? Can it fit in number 4 or in number 5? Nut fits in 5. This is the space. N, U, and the letter T, we have our nut. That's our nut. Okay, next. What's our next word? G, a, t. What's that? It's for the word what? G, a, t. Is it gum or gut? G, a, t. The inside of your tummy, it's gut. So let's make a line. This is gut. Now, can you remember gut is a cat tail letter, a cat letter? It has a line going down for its tail in letter G. Where can it fit? In number 4 or in number 3? We have to put it in number 4. It fits in 4. G, U, and the letter T, that is gut. The inside of your tummy, that's the gut. What about we jump to another one? R, rut. Where is rut? Remember when it's too muddy, your vehicle, your wagon, your wheelbarrow cannot go and they will get stuck in a rut. It's muddy, it's hard to move, rut. So we will make it here in this picture. That's a rut. Where can we put rut? Rut has the the sorry, not the cat letter, but alligator letters, letters that go under the dotted line. Where can we put number 3 or number 6? It's for number 6. Let's make a line. Rut. R, U, and letter T. This is for our word rut. Rut. Okay, next. How about the one with the sound? Hut. It's the word hub or hut. It's hut. A kind of house that you can stay in is a hut. This one. Now, hut has a tall letter H, an alligator letter U, and a tall letter T. So, where can we put hut? In number 2 or 3? In number 3, this is hut. H, U, and the letter T, hut. This is where we will make a line for. What about the next one? We have SH together has the sh sound. Sh, t, sha. Is it shum or shut? It's shut. So what do we shut? We shut the door. This is our shut. And shut has 4 letters. It goes in number 2 here. S, H, U, and the letter T, that is shut. So let's read our words. We have cut, shut, hut, gut, nut, and rut. Okay, good job. We have our work on the screen. We made a line and put all the letters in the box, the ones that are fitted for those words. Now that we're done with this one, you get to answer with me on our screen again. And this time, let's have a review of your ob and at words. So the last two worksheets, two sets of worksheets, it's about the ob words, words that have U and B in them. We'll still need to review them because it is part of our work today on the screen. So let's find our up and at words. Remember, not is one of our at words. We have also the cut. We can also color for the cut. Now, we need three more pictures and this time it's our up words. So how about we have cub? Cub is an up word. Tub is an upword. And the last one, it's the sub. So how about we write? We will record and write. So the first word that I will write, SUB, this makes the word sub. Another one, TUB, this makes the word tub. And then another upword, it's the cub, CUB, cub. Now, what about another word? This time, let's jump to our the ut words. We're done with up. We have nut, N-U-T. That's how you spell nut. H-U-T. This is how you spell hut. And the last one, cut. C-U-T. We have our cut. So let's read our words. Sub, tub, cub. Another one, nut, hut, and cut. So these are all the words that we recorded and also found in our screen work. Let's erase this one and let's jump to another part. Okay, this time it's the words that we will need to cover and color for. So how about let's go find them. Let's start with our words. So I found tub. What else has up sound? It's the cub. And the last one, it's the sub. Now let's jump to our at words. We have cut, not, and the cut. Let's write for our words as well. We need to record them. So how about for our up words? The first one, T, U, and letter B, that's the tub. You take a bath in a tub. C, U, and letter B, a cub. A cub can be a baby bear, a baby lion, or a baby tiger. And the last one, sub, S-U-B, S-U-N-B, sub. I want to ride a sub. That's the submarine. There's also another sub word, and that is a long sandwich. Maybe you can share your sub to your friends or to family. If you cannot, eat all of it. Now, the next one, let's go to our at words. I found cut. C, U, and letter T, cut. Next one, nut. N, U, and letter T, nut. And the last one, hut. H, U, and the letter T, hut. Okay, so these are all the words that we need to spell out for and look for in our screen work. Now that I'm done with that one, I'll do the word search. So how about we find our up and at words? So let's have sub, S-U-B, sub. This one is sub, S-U-B. Next one, Cub. Let's find cub. We have C-U-N-B. C-U and the letter B, that's cub. T-U-B. T-U-N-B, we have our tub. Another one, C-U-T, that's cut. C-U and letter T, we have the cut. Another one, N-U-T, nut. So let's circle for nut. N-U-N-T, this is nut. And the last one, hut. H-U-T. H-U and the letter T, hut. So these are all the up and at words. Let's fill in the words that we need to put here. So the first one, we have the picture of hut. H, U, and letter T, this is hut. Another one, we have our tub. T, U, and letter B, this is tub. This one, we have our cut. C, U, and letter T, cut. And the last one, we have our cub. C, U, and letter B, it's the cub. So let's read. How about we read our sentence here with the missing word? We already filled them. I live in a hut. That's a hut. I wash in a tub. Let's cut the paper. A small bear is a cub. So these are all the at and ab words that we read and remembered. Erase this one because we're going to do the house for our ab and at words. So let's go back and read them. We'll get to do our windows, put them in the right picture. C-U-B. This is for the word cub. So let's put cub and cover. So when you have this work in your book, you have to put only the glue at the top so that you can still see the picture underneath. We have cub. Next one, k, a, t, ka. That's cut. I want to use my scissors to cut. So let's put this one here. It's cut. Another one, s, a, b, sa. It's the sub. We have to put sub at the top here. And the last one, a ton or hot. It's the hot. Let's space for hot also. Okay, let's read our words. We have sub, cut, hut, and cub. And let's erase the writings to make it clean. Now that we are done with our work for today on this video, you did a good job answering with me also. Let me remind you, Rufa, that your pages, you need to go and answer for pages 67 to 77 of your work for today and tomorrow's work. We won't have a recorded class on Friday because it's a special event. And let me jump to the next part of our video here. If you also answered your work for today, good job. And I will be giving you your sticker, friend. So here I prepared the Sanrio friends. I will give you Hello Kitty, Melody, Kuromi, Pochako, Cinnamoroll, and Pompomporin. And I will see you again in our next class once you come back here to school. Thank you and thank you for answering your work for today and watching this video. Bye-bye.